Leverage token. You're probably watching this video and asking yourself, what the heck is a leverage token? Well, this is exactly what I'll be explaining today on this video. First of all, I will tell you what's a leverage token. I will tell you how you can trade it and why you should use a leverage token. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. As usual, my name is Carl. So on today's video, I will explain you what is exactly a leverage token. Have you ever asked yourself why people sometimes are making a lot of money when the market is crashing or tanking on the way down? Or why sometimes people make a lot more profit when the market goes up? Well, this is exactly the purpose of a leverage token. Let's go to my computer and I will show you exactly what it is. There's two exchanges that I know of that offer leverage token. There's KuCoin and there's Binance. On today's video, I'll cover the token on Binance, which is the most popular one. If you don't have a Binance account, I'll put the link in the description below. By using this link, you will receive 10% rebate on all your transaction fee. So a leverage token, basically it's a token that reflects the value of another coin. So let me show you. So to find the leverage token on Binance, once you log on to your account, you go right up here at the top where it says derivative, and then you select leverage token. From here, you'll see all the available token that we can use to trade on Binance. So as you can see, all the most popular one will be available here. One thing also that we need to remember, for each coin or for each token, there's two different kind. There's one that would say down, so BTC down, Ethereum down, ADA down, and they also have the up, which is the BTC up, Ethereum up, ADA up, and so on. So let's say we look at the BTC. So we have BTC down and BTC up. So what does it mean is, let's say the market right now is going down, or it's been going down now for a couple days, and you would like to take advantage of this. So you can buy this token right here, and the token will reflect the value of the BTC, but on the way down. So it will increase in value if BTC go down. If Bitcoin goes up, well, you would invest in this one. So this coin or this token right here would reflect the value of the Bitcoin on the way up. And also a very interesting feature that we need to know, they also have a leverage. So let's say we look at the BTC right now, up or down, they have about a 2x leverage. It means, let's say the BTC, BTC up, increase in value, let's say by 10%. Well, actually this token right here would increase by 20% because the leverage is 2x. But also you need to remember, if your BTC up start to go on the negative, or you stop dropping in value, it's also mean that your loss will be multiplied by 2. So this is very important to remember. So let me give you an example. Let's say we click on BTC down. So just to show you, and we would like to buy, let's say BTC down, because the market right now is going down, and we would like to buy some BTC down to make a little bit of money while it's going down. So we click on buy. We choose the BTC down USDT pair. So make sure you have USDT available on your exchange. And from here, you can purchase it. So you can buy or sell at the limit or at the market. Same thing as any other regular token that you can find. So let me show you how this one is performing in real life. So let's go back to the chart. So if you remember a couple weeks ago, right here, so May 11 or May 12th, the market really started to dump, and it's been going that now for a couple weeks. So starting May 12th, we can see that the market was going down. If we look at the BTC down coin on May 11, or 12 actually, right here. As we can see, the coin is increasing in value because it goes the opposite way of the Bitcoin. So if you would like to make money, let's say right here on the way down, so let's say you would enter a position right here and you ride all the way down, let's say up to here, that would be a minus 41% decrease in Bitcoin value. So minus 41. So let's go here. So let's say you would have purchased BTC down on May 12th. So let's say somewhere around here. And you would sell when it start going back down. That would be 100% profit in 6 days. So why the 100%? It's because of the leverage. Right now, BTC has a 2% leverage. So in real life, from here to here, it was like 44%. But because we have a 2x leverage, it is actually 100% profit. So if you know that the Bitcoin is going down or up, well, you can use the leverage token to make more money. Even though if you know that, let's say the market is going up for the next few hours or the next couple days, you can buy the token, make profit and exit. So why would you use a leverage token? Well, as you can see, if you want to make more money on a swing, so let's say if the market is going up, well, you can make more profit. But the big advantage is when the market is going down, well, you can invest in some of those tokens and make profit on the way down. Always remember, if your coin start going the opposite way, the loss you'll be making will be multiplied by the leverage. So always remember that, and it's always a good thing to not hold a leverage token for a long period of time. So it's always when you want to make a short, quick profit. So if you know that let's say Bitcoin is dropping right now, well, you can buy the BTC down right here, wait for a couple days, and then when you see that it start to go up, or when you see you are in profit, well, sell your position. Don't wait for the coin to reverse and get back in a loss. Another thing to remember, when you're buying those tokens, all you're doing is you're betting on the price movement. You don't own any of those coins. You don't own any DOT if you buy the DOT up or the DOT down. It's just a token that reflects the value. So it's only for you to make a profit on the price movement with a leverage. So that would increase your profit. And anyway, when you'll be, let's say you're choosing one of them to trade, when you'll be clicking on the trade, you will have to do a quick quiz. So Binance will show you, I believe it's a 5 or 6 minute video, which is very interesting, by the way. You will learn some very interesting stuff in those 5 minutes. And after that, you need to just do a quick quiz so you know the risk involved by using leverage token. But you buy and sell those tokens the same way you would do with any regular token. So let's say I would like to buy some link down. Well, it's the same as a regular coin. So I can select how much I want to buy, and then I just click a buy link down. And when I want to sell, well, I just do the same thing. I select how much I want to sell, and then I just sell my link back to USDT. Now, I know probably some of you will ask me, can I use any of those leverage token with my trading bot like Cryptohopper? Yes, you can. If your Cryptohopper is linked to your Binance or your KuCoin account, you can use any of those leverage token. But be careful, always make sure you have a stop loss, because like I said, it's a leverage coin. So if the market goes down 5% and you're on a 2x token, well, your loss will be 10%. If it goes down 10%, your loss will be 20% at a 2x leverage. So you have to be really careful if you want to use them with your trading bot. So remember, if you want to short when the market goes down, you can use any of the down coin. Or if you want to make more profit and you know that the market will go up, well, you can use any of the up coin to increase your leverage and make more money. Don't keep the coin for a long period of time. Very important. You can keep them for a few hours, a few days, maybe a few weeks, but be careful. As soon you are in good profit, close your position and wait to re-enter another position so you don't lose all your money. So I hope you did like this video. If you did like it, well, I would appreciate if you would hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you don't want to miss any of my future video, well, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you very soon on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.